Hi, this is Daniel with Circo Innovations. We have here our Snap Hinge. As you can tell, the sizes are different. This is 1 inch and this is 3/4 inch. We've been having some demands asking for these to be made. As you know, our standard are just a 1 inch and 1 inch on each side, made to hinge for a window or a door. But we had this custom design made, basically allowing us to have even a 1/2 inch to 3/4 or 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Just maybe you have like a large PVC frame greenhouse and you want like a lightweight, smaller door or window. This allows you to do that and not have to have that heavy piping for the doors or the windows. So if you want to know more about the hinges, go to our YouTube channel. Go in for Circo Innovations, look for the Circo Snap Hinge making door vent video. We also have some other videos out there, how to build a PVC arched greenhouse, PVC truck tent, are some other ones. So hope you enjoy it and let us know if you're interested in this new hinge design.